Everyone, my name is Tasina Banu, final year Bcom Financial Institution Market, Tirumala. I am Assistant Professor, GFGC Sira. Topic Atlantis Electrical IPO presented by Tasina Banu. Atlantis Electrical IPO. Atlantis Electricals Limited AEL is leading manufacturer of power, auto and intra-duty transformers in India, known for producing high capacity and transformers up to 200 MVA and 220 kV voltage. Atlantis Electrical IPO Review. AEL is one of leading manufacturer of power, auto and intra-duty transformers in India. It is set to tap rising demand with its recent acquisition and expanded capacities. Based on its recent financial data, the IPO appears priced well. Informed investors may bank funds for long term. IPO objectives. The company plans to use the net proceeds from fresh issue primarily for working capital requirements, repayment of outstanding debt, and generally corporate purposes. GMP Grey Market Premium. The grey market premium for Atlantis Electricals is reportedly Rs 140 per share, suggesting potential listing price 894, which is about 18.57% above the upper price band. However, GPM is an unofficial indicator and should not be relied upon for investment decisions. Atlantis Electrical IPO details. IPO opened September 22, 2025. IPO closes September 24, 2025. Price band 718 to 754. Issue size 6,873 million. Lot size 19 share. Listing at BSE NSE. Listing date September 29, 2025. IPO details at glance. Subscription dates September 22 to 24, 2025. Total size 687.34 crore. Costing of fresh issue 400 crore and an offer for sale 287.34 crore. Price band 718 to 754 per share. Minimum investment 19 share for retail investors requiring 14,326 at upper price band. Atlantis Electricals IPO allotment date. As per timeline, the Atlantis Electrical IPO allotment date is September 25, 2025. The investor can check the IPO allotment via the registrator website of MUFG in time. BSE website. Investors can check the allotment status online and offline. Products. Atlantis Electricals manufacture a range of transformers including power, auto, intra-duty, France, generator and special duty types. Atlantis Electrical IPO pros. Strong financial growth. The company has demonstrated robust financial performance with revenue increasing by 43% and profit after tax by 87% in FY25 compared to FY24. High return ratio. Atlantis Electricals exhibits efficient capital utilization with a return on equity 33.91% and return on capital employed 39.43%. Cons. Raw material price volatility. The business is capital intensive and exposed to price fluctuation of key raw material like copper and steel, potentially impacting profitability. Next point, competitive industry. Atlantis Electricals operate in competitive environment facing both domestic and global transformer manufacturers. Raw material risk. The absence of long-term supply deals for key raw material like copper and steel expose the company to price volatility and potential profit erosion. Financial of Atlant Electricals. Total asset, revenue, profit after tax. March 2023, March 2024, March 2025. Importance of the IPO. Capital for growth. The IPO allowed Atlant Electricals for raise significant capital, which was earmarked for debt reduction, working capital, and general corporate purposes. This strengthens the company financial position and support future expansion. Next point, enhanced market standing. Going public enhanced the company visibility, credibility, and brand image in the market. The successful IPO demonstrated strong market confidence in its business model and growth prospects. Next point, in visitor opportunity. The IPO offered investors a chance to participate in India's growing transform manufacturing sector, a vital part of country's power infrastructure. The participation of future investors, including major mutual fund and institutional players, highlighted institutional confidence in the company long-term potential. Use of proceeds and financial strategy. Debt reduction. Part of fresh issue proceeds will be used for repay or prepay existing borrowings. Next point, working capital requirements. Some funds will be allocated toward working capital. Next point, general corporate purposes. Remaining funds will be used for general corporate activities. Next point, if the company executes well and maintain order fulfillment, it may deliver good return to IPO investors. Risk. Atlant Electrical IPO appears to have strong growth potential, a large order book, good revenue growth, capacity expansion, etc. But this risk mean an investor should be, if you are investing, it might make sense for longer horizon signs, ramping up new capacity, getting returns. Risk including cyclical nature of industry, reliance on government orders and infrastructure growth, and in raw material price, copper and aluminum. Thank you.